$30,000 deposit blast off on ByBit. Hook your users up with the best deposit rewards on the market. Earn up to $30,000 when your users make their first deposit and trade on ByBit. If you're new to our channel, then subscribe and stay connected with us by like, comment, and share this video. How can users get started? Step 1. Sign up as a new user. Step 2. Fulfill the deposit and trading criteria to unlock bonuses within 14 days. Step 3. Claim their bonuses in our rewards hub. Criteria. If you deposit $100 and trade $500, you will get 10 USDT bonus. If you deposit $500 and trade $800, you will get 20 USDT bonus. If you deposit $1,000 and trade $2,000, you will get 50 USDT bonus. If you deposit $3,000 and trade $6,000, you will get 100 USDT bonus. If you deposit $10,000 and trade $40,000, you will get 350 USDT bonus. If you deposit $25,000 and trade $1,500,000, you will get 800 USDT bonus. If you deposit $50,000 and trade $10 million, you will get 5,000 USDT bonus. If you deposit $125,000 and trade $50 million, you will get 8,800 USDT bonus. If you deposit $150,000 and trade $75 million, you will get 15,000 USDT bonus. If you deposit $250,000 and trade $150 million, you will get 30,000 USDT bonus. Terms and conditions. This campaign is only eligible for new users who sign up for a ByBit's account using an affiliate link. Eligible users are users who have signed up for a ByBit account using an affiliate's link and made their first deposit in their ByBit account during the campaign period. For 5,000 rewards and above, only taker volume trades are allowed. 30,000 USDT bonus applies to eligible affiliate users who deposit 250,000 USDT and trade a volume of 150 million USDT. Users must register via an affiliate's link and make relevant deposits/trades to claim their rewards in the rewards hub. ByBit reserves the right of final interpretation of this event. If you have any questions, please contact customer service. Check the description. Here you'll find the affiliate link, create an account, and receive the bonus. For more in-depth analysis and exclusive content, visit our website at financialmarkets.online. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest financial trends.